Oh, can y'all see some parasailing? The parasailing. We have made it to, I think, our last trip of 2025. You never know.
2024.
2024. You never know. Maybe could squeeze in one more, but we're in Puerto Vallarta for two reasons. One, a wedding, and two, it is my birthday weekend, so wish your girl a happy birthday in the comments below. Also go over to Instagram as well and wish me a happy birthday. So yeah, we're here. We came a day early than like most people are getting to the resort at the wedding to just kind of have a slow ramp up to the event. And then so we're staying at a hotel in Marriott near the airport, and then we're gonna be at the resort for 2 days. We can't be at the resort that long without having to leave and go spend some time at either like a more local hotel or Airbnb because we want to explore areas and experience some cultures. What are we about to do? We landed around an hour ago, got to check into our hotel early, and now we're starving. We haven't eaten all day. We've been up since like 4:30 in the morning, so we're gonna get some food. And then I was able to get us a spot on something that is very cool. Neither of us, I'm pretty sure Sean doesn't know what it is. Neither of us have done this. I'm pretty sure Sean hasn't. And I was able to get a last minute spot at 6 o'clock. So we're gonna do that. I'm not gonna tell you what it is because no Z is right there. He doesn't know what it is. But maybe I'll get a chance to tell you all about it later.
Yeah, I mean, snack food. I'm gonna get a burrito, I think.
Okay, let's go. Look at this big ass drink. Cheers. This is just a lemonade, y'all. A Guanabana lemonade. I'm gonna take Sean's beer. I don't like beer. What kind you got? Pacifico. I don't hate this. I wouldn't order it, but it's not the worst beer.
Good sleep.
See you when the food comes. The, I guess, appetizers here. We got tuna, ceviche, tostada. And I already took a bite for transparency, y'all. But it was mostly just the vegetables. So there's cucumbers, red onions, tomatoes. Look. All right, I think this is shrimp. Oh, that's shrimp. I wanted tuna. Oh well, I'm gonna eat it anyways, but I like shrimp. The hot sauce. That's not bad. I'm waiting for Sean to take a bite too. Sean got a steak burrito. Look how baby it is. And then a steak vampiro. And I got the barbacoa and the other type of vampiro.
Yeah, it's good.
Really? And they're like these little, can you see? These little tacos.
Maybe a little bit.
I've never had anything like that.
It's good.
It's really good. That sauce? It's delicious.
Yeah, I don't think I've had anything like that either. Try,
It's like the cheese is on top or something? Wow.
I don't know what that is.
Well, it's a taco, but they like grill it, so it's like crispy. Which one you like more? A burrito. We decided to come to the marina because it's closer to where our like starting point is for our little activity later. And it's a nice marina. We actually got here right on time because they're about to start like a little market, and our driver, the like shuttle driver, told us that he loves to come here on the weekends, and like this is a good place to do souvenir shopping, and like there's a ton of restaurants along the perimeter too. So we'll show you some of the little like booths as well as some of the restaurants and the boats if you're interested. Then you turn left and you keep walking.
I don't know where we are or where we're going, but I know I need bug spray and flashlights, and I'm scared. And we're next to a golf course with crocodiles. This should be interesting. Ooh, pretty. I believe we can make it.
I'm the one who got us into the... I didn't realize it was going to be this long of a walk to get to the said activity.
Ooh, there's whales. Velas Resorts. There's a big fence. There's crocodiles. I don't know. That's all I got.
This way.
I'm gonna walk into the water now. Goodbye. We're going fishing. It's not jet skiing. Is there riding ATVs on the beach? Oh, there's eggs. They're glamping on the beach. I mean, that would defeat the purpose of getting a hotel, kind of, but that would be interesting. But yeah, I see a flag. I see improvised like tents. A family swimming in the water. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I'm truly and deeply stumped. There's more crocodiles. Oh God.
You figured it out yet?
Is it the turtle hatching?
Yep.
See,
you made horrible guesses.
There you go.
We have around seven babies today. Normally we have a bunch, like 100 babies hatching, but today is quiet because it's colder. This is the normal size for the baby turtle when they're born.
Oh,
Yeah, they're upside down. The mama turtle, they can.
they're so cute.
They die.
Soft underneath, right?
Gracias.
De nada.
Gracias.
You gotta live to 100 years old. Be strong.
Wait, did you name it and wish it?
Yeah, Neutron, and I want him to live to 100 years old.
Oh, okay. Okay, here.
Go, Neutron.
Okay, what's my name? Your name is Boy. B-O-I. And I wish that I get to meet you again someday.
Aww. Alright, so Neutron and Boy.
Let's see them go.
Our turtles are fighting. You don't see this? Goodbye, turtle. Almost. It's a little slow.
Okay, wait. Not yet. So the turtle, I don't know what his term, manager, turtle master. He's walking along the beach to make sure all of the turtles have made it into the water. and also scaring off birds. See? So that they don't eat the turtles.
Get out of here, bird.
Okay, Sean, did I surprise you?
Yeah, I was surprised. I didn't expect this.
And what did you think?
I didn't expect a throwback to Cayman Islands so quickly.
And what did you think?
I thought it was good. I think it's like a good thing to do. They're basically like saving this endangered species of turtle for endangered species of turtles by releasing them in this way, you know, protecting them and making sure that they make it to the water. I think that's a really good thing. There's a lot of like natural predators out here and humans that are bad.
My wish was that I get to meet my turtle again. It was because the guy told us that the turtles come back to this beach because they know where they were born. So you never know. I mean, you get to meet them again.
Yeah, and my wish was that my turtle Neutron lives to 100 years old. So I'm hoping that now that I said it, it still happens.
So if you are interested in doing a turtle release, we'll include a link below. But we did find them on Instagram, and they ask for volunteers like on a daily basis if they need help. And so that's how we were able to do it. And then we just donate it instead of paying for like an official tour. So if you you really want to do it, I would say book a tour in advance. But if it's just like, if you get to do it, you're happy about it, you can just follow them on Instagram. Make sure you turn on your notifications because they do it the same day, let you know that they need volunteers.
All right, well, let's head back to the hotel because it's getting dark and it's getting cold.
And there's alligators. Or it's a crocodile.
Crocodiles, not alligators.
I hope the hotel, the resort food is just good. I'll be upset.
Yeah, imagine the resort food is like horrible. It's just buffet.
No, this place has a restaurant, I think. I actually don't know.
Why do I feel like we went through that already? Where we went to a place and it was just buffet. Fajita. I forgot how good it was.
I got chicharron. It's so good. Sean was like, oh, this is so juicy. It's really good. Cheers.
Oh, that's so good. Oh, it's so good.
The food here is fire. It's so good. Not the restaurant, the city. Well, the restaurant's good.
Buenos dias. We just finished eating at this lovely little restaurant, Coco's Kitchen.
Yeah.
And it was delicious. I got the stuffed French toast. Christina got the chilaquiles. The stuffed French toast was really good. It's like very sweet, very creamy. Had like cream cheese and like jam in it. But yeah, now we're off to try and get my hair cut before this wedding. We've got a little 5-minute walk ahead of us. Another day, another walk. After I got my hair cut, we took a cab over to our next stop, which is the resort that we stayed at for the next couple of days. Now, we didn't film much in these next couple of days because there's a wedding going on and, we want to be respectful of that. But this is our room tour. It's a pretty nice room. We tried to record, but there was a little bit of street noise. So we may talk more about the resort in the next video. So thank you for watching. We hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to tune in for the next video where we finish the rest of our Puerto Vallarta trip.